eti saa no Mama wuni chase ro ati Mama o hwe wase fi Kwasea mpanyini ko jimi na ntwie
ana ndisi fo na nkasa nso mo ya akromfo yetimi tena krom na oba de azan de kalabu na beda da nipa so oye doctor na Mahama watimi agina tum de na your personal doctor na we obekun we.
I'm saying that she got the opportunity because she has big bottles. It is what it is.
Edua name I see say one time what the kaya was one. At the end of the day, on one kasa, any other say was only say, and this is for dua edua baby. Omodua dua ba mienu bi. Enya botre gugu sunsu. Emeduane benyini beye ebe so flowers fefefe anomotimi tibidi. Be duane kosu ni badani du tan kese ebusua. Omuntimi nte na ba ni bi ni omuhu dua na nkasa no mobu afudua. Obesi mu twa dua no twene but omutwa. Eye kasa bo mabu no. Obusua young don ene Twene Jonas ankofu mienu we eni dua eni dua ameka wase. It is opposition. No move because of insult to MPP and insult to the Asante people. And government rose to fame. Obenya fame Kwasea pa ewa Ghana. Now concerning Dr. Penyah, Dr. Sanseni, other say Mahama the personal physician as I said. Now all the chloroquine, other painkiller, Mahama kakra. That's about erosion on the internet now. I was here. Finally, young Don are joining the trend. Only Twene Jonas are joining the TikTokers. Na oma be fire Mahama papa o mo chese Mahama e arrest girl no e yasa Mahama e hu ni ye e wo media na so aha Penyah block media mess was say any oba like video no that one subscribe button channel click the notification icon for latest update now be chere wa adwen dia mama e wo comments as so baswa na she be no more so enya bi ahye e to them say ever since ya Sanseni na sem ne ba trending ni mo no. The narrative changed to, Mahama is a listening president. The fact that he was able to revoke the lady's appointment in less than 24 hours, it makes him a listening president. He's not as stubborn as the previous government and other things. Hey, wait. This doesn't make Mahama a listening president. Come to think of this. When the issue rose to the internet, when the issue came to light, it took Mahama less than 48 hours to revoke the lady's appointment. By then, social media hadn't even attacked Mahama to take any action against the lady. But Mahama, upon realizing that the lady is not a medical doctor by all standards and by all exposures that are coming, the lady is not a doctor. She's not been enrolled to any medical institution. Mahama revoked the lady's appointment. If you claim that this decision made by Mahama makes him a listening president, then let me ask you this question. It took Mahama less than 2 days to revoke the lady's appointment. Even by then, there hadn't been any attack on him. Now, it's been 5 getting to 6 days now that social media users has been ranting on the internet, telling Mahama to arrest this lady, this foolish lady. But Mahama hasn't responded to these allegations. So, is Mahama still a listening president? Adra Mahama munya a listening president semuno nimguasia naba. Enimguasia is yanka ba na kampase tintina twan Mahama ema ga any position na said there be enimguasia da nyaba we ye the fair na ye enyaba enyaba and enyaba Mahama ntimi nka se o ntimi nya ho hweti then he had only one choice, and the choice is to just revoke the lady's appointment, and that's all. O ntimi nya hwe. If Mahama is a listening president anka ba na nka lead nko odem. If he's a listening president anka semi demfi any agada dollars and se ba ye no enka say on sacking some Javinka, he will listen to us and sack him. Etimunya San Kwasea Kekano. Asambani ye looking solution to that, and I'm going Kwasea Kekano na Monchenche. You know me, say I don't normally add my submission to issues when they come. I just come to show you videos that people are saying. But this issue, I'll add my submission. And Kwasea Semo Yados, I saw Johnny on 3FM spewing rubbish. Total bad that full listeners everywhere. I didn't Kwasea Semo. Well, listen for the same way. And you go say about now, listen for the your cast want to know how many days now? 5 days. What's not taking action against him? Where the issue of Mahama is a listening president is Masamunya San Kwasea Kekano. Are you by no? I was a young Don, Twene Jonas, any other TikTokers. I joined the trend. Omu catch Mahama said, girl no on chinning tomb.
And NDC for an angasan so moya kromfo. NDC for moya kromfo. Akromfo akesefo basiafo mo bodua se mo nwia oman sika mo mra me bodua sem disifo mo nwia oman sika asiafo mo machi wuntumi a champion before a monya wa na mo nso mo nkrofo na mo tuga na mse mo hu de mo ya fa ho asiafo asefo kwa mote wana jimi nko na mu jimi wura mu ya kan kura kire ma jimi nko a yo ana Mahama utie Mahama tie ya meka kire no asia so wa kura jimi fo na efe no Taylor asa hwan no hye ayi Washington won so wa jimi a wajimi so wa jimi a wajimi won se ya Kenya nza kire so wa jimi a wajimi ya so akofa nurse ni azan kromfo karabure ni nurse bi na ya se odene hwe so wo personal doctor asembe ni nurse ni karabule ni a America hawoye ohwe mrewa nyuma na wa America kroma efeni home care America hawoye ohwe mrewa nyuma na wa America kroma efeni home care ohwe mrewa na ohwe omo efeni home care wini home care omo hwe mrewa tetemrewa tubini no edwade mrewa no simrewa ntare ya no de omo kola ndirimat no de omo kwa ha he omo ne afra mo home care aid hwan yesi abaya ne nya nurse oya azan karabure oba azan tana bawo no yusu na adwene Ghana nipa adwene wo fom nti amadwene nya adwuma na ye bu mu faso sa so on jimi amujimi ti krone be yenie yetimi tina krom na oba de azan de karabure abeda da nipa so oye doctor sanasio na Mahama watimi agina tumde na your personal doctor na we obekun we masa wenye ayi kwa hwe ni ama bia straight up to jail majimi krado do straight up to jail monfa baya no kwa jail simple antetia na majimi ana how can we build a nation like this majimi won come from jimi fanum kwa jail wenye afeni akwa hwe hwimo waya kromfo so on say o Kevin Taylor as hwan o so on jimi odi wujimi so on so ya kromfo so on wo ba of so ba so anu ahye no so on so ya kromfo so on azan wode mo ye so on jimi a odi mu jimi Kevin Taylor we di oba kromfo we aba begina ho yesi hwan na ma mo hu so abaya na kromfo so free foul so hwan hu utie nyansa na meka kiro no utie nyansa na meka gu asum no wakuna na da bia osole a obo ne paso medidi wi ase nyina hene na tam Taylor asa hwan so on jimi a odi mu jimi aferi on se ni mgu ase akwaba ma jimi ase no yondo na enye yondo na didi mpanufo atam kumase fo de oyunkurase fo yondo ni ekurase ni ofiri kumase ofiri ekurase Kwasea so on jimi a wajimi afena mukoyi abaya na di Kwasea da na mane wo ona so nya o personal doctor no Kwasea ko be ku ato atwene te sa akokọ so ma jimi asa no na Ghana de ye de kwansi bi wadada mo de be biri mani so no ma jimi asa no Kwasea fo asefo kwa ye kan kura kire mu a tese mu no mi hu hawa mi simputu mu kura wo jimi ama jimi no eye too much muti jimi no so wura mu o mesra mu eye sa me ne mu nkwan kama we ase o of course heaven na mu na when welcome to the paradise. You are in the greatest city of all time, New York City, the city that never sleeps, the city that just say eye heaven on earth so na mcho jiwa gwa na namu no nyansa nkwa na eye adwuma no patu anwumre so ana mo amose me free me yes me free South Africa me free one chair me free on medru me harden I think 4 days now or 3 days now and I'm about so na mcho eti mama how you guys build this the nation is crazy. I'm telling you the reality. How you guys build the nation is crazy. Yembu o mansa makasa nyansa na kiro yembu o mansa sani amusibu Ghana na ewrong uba kwasiburo ni kuroma ansa na sa no kura baya ne yan sa home care na baya ne yan sa home care na abane abaya no ansa na betimanya sa home certificate no kura ho de no minim Ghana ni ba bi o kuruma da bi o frame aya no ni mi o ta frame osibra obra ansa na onya sa home certificate no o ka say is on America ansa na de security a license subscription se man certificate be show se ena fomo na mama abaya bi ede ne Kwasea ne Jimmy ahihya no ho ede ahihya no ho azan te se ne wo form ede abebiri mani so parliament wa ma Jimmy nti da bia NPP ba na mu blemu NPP fo NDC ba na mu blemu NDC fo Ghana fo teze NPP ni NDC no there's no difference you.
I'm saying that she got the opportunity because she has big bottles. It is what it is. I've seen her videos, I've seen her pictures. Yeah, she's got bottles. So, but you know, in Ghana, if you have big butts, doors just open for you. If the moment you have big butts, doors just fly open for you. Because why did she get the chance to go and sit on the television? Why did she get a chance to go and be on the board of the NHIS? Just because? No, she has big bottles, and big bottles can open doors. I tell you, big bottles would, that kind of door big bottles would. My question is, how do we as Ghanaians, you know, how do we verify people? How do we say that, okay, this person is who they say they are or who they say they are not? You understand? Because it seems that as Ghanaians, the moment someone is from abroad, that's it. Whatever they say is valid. The moment someone has stayed abroad and they move back into the country, they come to the country, whatever, the fact that they live abroad, whatever they say is valid. We grant them opportunities that, you know, GH1 as a TV station that, you know, millions of people are watching you. How do you grant someone to come and give health advice on your television network without any form of verification, without any form of whatever? Just said, all right, she said she's a doctor, all right, let's give her some airtime, let her come and sit and chat about, I don't know, whatever she chats about.
Inti sa again no ye president personal doctor. Ye campaign no ana ye to abane kura wi hwe ye papa Mahama ni na ni mo ye dudu ase obi a they come in and I say gay you prescribe a drama Mahama. Namumu bi munshuroma from Genesis to Revelation. A dintina yenyanum kremufo mama matinato. Hey, Genesis to Revelation. Be me bia no ho den wo Bible no. Oba konka. Mahama Wate, hey, Yamina do wo, and Cassandra, you obituary. Hey, Kevin Tanner, what do you pow? Said the Mahama, why do you not pow? I give me of this one.
At a penny, the cat a penny about Indiana only. Fansabo Plaza is your full account and you got a balance. At a penny, Kevin Taylor at a cacra. And I captain smart at a penny. Over what as a fake doctor as a one tiana. Over what as a one tea. Oh, what is our toy now? Friends, the jeep with a man one tea. Oh, at a penny one tea. Yasabuaka. Thinking another time. Oh, Cowbacking. Now we should fucking cut 7 what's another. We say what I captain smart to know. We need the baby cast so I know Cassatian and Nado. Now most of us want to make a son. Oh, Captain Smart, we did it in another one. More Captain Smart, we did it in another one. Who's now? Because there's a doctor and a Samonte. Oh, I don't know. Oh, when the book was up, when it was in me. Captain Smart, Nansen, new corn and in Yansa, or Ghana journalist. Also, Wooty. Amount for innocent souls. A wood was your woe or was moving to woman massacre. Now, dear woman, you didn't catch her why. Now, South of Rizzo, Kovudo was all. Oh, dear Sunday, obey our sorry. Now, dear Sunday, oh, power, sorry, and cut up can once them. Huh? Can once them cardiana, why and was out there on your doctor. And a while by a fun. So, one can't ask you was a while. Oh, Betty. Cause an another. Kabe will drink quabble in our pocket so I can see him at a turn on boom Sunday can once him. Voodoo can once some Sunday was or boom Sunday. Thursday can once him or was or.
I'm one co school in Tina when you want the Intinama boom. John Kiss for Namadio ministers near MPs. John Kiss for Namasa. Obi a winning education level. Na ma appointing is away on minister on the Kwasea. Ah, mo through. Oh, say just one day. MPP 40 million you mu say nipa no won school. Oba na ha mo tenten. Enam say wo ye mma fodie hininti no. Emma ho na wa appointing wo. Emma wa appointing wo mo no so. Emma munti no emma oba akwafa ne se omra emeye dabre se national health one unim education level aha mutenti ente se because of say road rush for pointing unim education because mo anko school and this for anko school MPP for you well educated into no just one day omo de yejushemu mu se oba no wanko school baby a wachire ye no baby on wo se so koye ne doctrine no kura no wanko ye wo ho wanko bi oni certificate enso na ma appoint ne say enka MPP for amomo ani anna wo anya wise akwa ka mo be bufa ye konso na me danya me ase thank God say MPP for omo ye well educated omo abin enhuma mu brofo kam on say mototo papa so ene mo vice no kura no brofo kanti wapeto ayale na me se mo ye ntwan ye waman mu ye behwe me se di obeba no mo mpa ye say MPP for mabie na di obeba no president ne bedem enye chairman mo market on the wall mo fa
wo de hwadwo mama Kwasea mpanyini enra wo etwa wa okraman ne wo kraman ne wo etwa okraman ne wo what you say wo no kraman president Kevin Taylor ne twa wo no pass Twene ma na wo Mahama so wa na motam Twene akoye no head of doctor of NHI abra munim se abaya no mu na mudi no ntimu nim se onko school bia o wonye doctor na makokukuru doctor dia so an ntim konko Ghana for mpane enku omo enye in I innocent person and I say my menya research na abaya we dia ye hu so awura school damu da and omo ye research for university for say abaya si okowie university wo mu school mu and mo recognize the visa and omo say o abaya ben na mo gboni din and I nipa kro ne say John Mahama appoint abaya bi a o say owie medical school na abaya no ye fra no and Sansa Delhi na and Sansa Delhi no we with first class medical school yan konko sha sa abaya no ayikura no Jesus kura wan we o Ghana ho wan na we sa buwa say o ye head of doctors ni nyina o enti sa no John Mahama woni chase ro ati John Mahama o hwe ase fi Kwasea mpanyini ko jimi na ntwie enti atwa kekenti mu bekum Ghana fo etwa amakodi mu mienu madinti woni Kevin Taylor abuwa na dinti mu beku Ghana fo look at this enti what is the difference between money Akufo-Addo no what is the difference ma jimi kra cha Akufo-Addo I'm telling you the fact ma jimi cha Akufo-Addo enti nya innocent person enti John Mahama Kwasea fra appointees for ni na mu fresh school a mo se o makọ na mo check obi certificate na ma mfa Kwasea nuro bi akọ wo Ghana fo nkoku amo ma jimi kra dodo can you have doctors in nyina line no up na kohwe obi so akọ school medical school abrochiri Ghana for no mawie medical school no mo ne na mo nya adwuma nye no o mo na se mo employ mo na mo ja jimi obi ti abrochiri ama mo nkofa ne ma emetua ne sika oti abrochiri land of opportunity onya sika wa hadada ohia adwuma de ohia adwuma ye de oti Ghana ho no enti don't create unemployment in Ghana na nkofa kwasiafo a mo ti abrochiri o ma ye ya wie no ensa me pi Ghana ma ga o mo megigi Ghana fo na adwuma no na saa no nyansa be na gu mutiri mo Ghana ho do your mom and can't appoint for no be a very detailed investigation before you appoint somebody. And you check a kenti, a buyer na kwaya the tour Dubai. I have a take the aba nama woman and just an intimate position, which me find position and yet dedicated bet me a communipa, bet me a gini pankwan. Doctor, the mubet me a communipa organ and intimate position to say position obia ya over to me a chairman of I first a KMA deputy chairman of KMA omuntisi krom na omonye dey omunkipu nipa krom clean omprapra krom omumpam enipa ewo kwa ho a omugina baabi a accident betimi akoso akum nipa ejegina kwa ho let them be KMA workers ana AMA betimi o makohihye all but the baabi a nipa nkwane de the real professional people ne koguo yes sir nipa be wu rough every day bia obekum nipa non stop because one qualification bia nya ne fault onim de oye din de na kohye because of say o wakọ fitiri ni twema mama ama ko di ni ntichinchini ase ye de kohye say jimi se mu ye ni wen an wo say jo mama wudu jimi aye fast SRK no Baguchi was say she was mama physician. Could you imagine? That's why he doesn't think normal. I know your mama or physician. Yeah, I want pania boni untina wadrinya jumano. Ever Gucci see untina wadrinya juma mama Kevin Taylor buan nature the no nanka wadrinya juma. Edientina wo kotina say Kevin Taylor Kwasea we. Eme dada NDC form 1 so be deport Twene Jonas. Abra wonim say Trump press rome. Na Kevin Taylor Kwasea oba dem note. Odware enkubroni emma no odi oma ko school anopa wadi ase omo pon school akofo oma ba no abetena basement twantro Twene Jonas me da BMW me da Rolls Royce me twika me pe I own multi-million mansions in all over across the United States. Do you know who I am? Now the me be come to be on watch them oba e na chene soma no e kire ne de oye. Are you crazy? Enti physician na poison adwen enti na wa jimi sa no enti mo next time musuya nyansa metimba bia mo bia mo empty threaten far because whether you like it or not Mahama is nobody in front of me. NDC ni bia is nobody in front of me. Sana MPP ni bia nyo bia o me manim ha enti wo di jimi ko ba pa na me strike ya e your wow fort wa jimi because oba me wiyo. And nobody is better at this than me, and nobody is bigger than warm up. The truth is bigger than anybody. We are the me praise you, Mujimi Amabo Penyah. I to force a year, you might be a body deep. I pono. And Yamukwasea na mbo pa nka dey by now they wa mesi ama e popular Ghana nya asem ketwa because the American obi atie me nchantro nti obi anim say no kre platform ni e open no kre tie bia ha no pe and NDC form one no mo pen tie no mo so kwa aboa no so e platform so go tie ntro so ati ase why na me de ne court me po court bi ani mo metimi abom ni ho wa jimi na me sisu ya nyansa ase court Kwasea me na msoma ase ko jimi
Tira wadwe fuma me e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Media.